Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is take. Here are some words related to the base word. Take away, take down, taken, takes, take off, take over, caretake, double take, intake, mistake, overtake, partake, retake, undertake. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. I ordered Chinese takeaway for dinner. The wrestler used a takedown to win the match. She has taken the cookies out of the oven. It takes time to learn a new language. The airplane is ready for takeoff. The bank will take over its rival. She agreed to caretake her friend's plants. I did a double take when I saw the dog driving. Your intake of water is important for your health. Making a mistake is a normal part of learning. The car behind me is trying to overtake. Let us all partake in the birthday celebration. I need to retake my driver's license test. I will undertake the cleaning of the kitchen. Now let's review. Take, take away, take down, taken, takes, take off, take over, caretake, double take, intake, mistake, overtake, partake, retake, undertake. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.